Uh-oh, maybe we have a bad fuel pump.
The unthinkable is happening to drivers across North America. Their cars are betraying them at the worst possible moments. While dealerships push expensive $800 fuel pump replacements and $1,500 TIPM modules, a $25 component could be the real culprit destroying your morning commute. According to verified service department data, 70% of fuel pump relay failures occur during cold starts, leaving drivers stranded when they need their vehicles most. What starts as occasional hard starting escalates to complete engine shutdown. The symptoms worsen systematically until your vehicle becomes completely unreliable. Based on documented analysis from Vertical Visions and confirmed by certified automotive technicians, fuel pump relay failure follows predictable patterns that most drivers miss. In this video, you'll discover the 10 warning signs that reveal relay failure before a complete breakdown. You'll learn which symptoms indicate immediate replacement and which ones buy you time. Most importantly, you'll understand how to avoid the costly misdiagnosis that traps thousands of drivers annually. This isn't just about inconvenience. Relay failure can leave you stranded on highways, create dangerous stalling situations, and lead to expensive unnecessary repairs when mechanics target the wrong components.
Even if you're an honest mechanic at a dealership, people will look for you at that dealership because people will know they can trust you.
Here are the 10 brutal warning signs your fuel pump relay is failing, categorized by severity and timing. Number 10, the primary failure pattern, cold start problems. The most documented symptom appears during cold morning starts. According to verified service data, this occurs because thermal cycling weakens the relay's internal contacts over time. You'll experience multiple cranking attempts before the engine fires, particularly when ambient temperatures drop below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The pattern is predictable. First attempts fail completely. Second attempts might catch briefly before dying. Third attempts often succeed, but this window narrows as the relay deteriorates. Bob is the Oil Guy forum analysis shows this progression typically spans 3 to 6 months before complete failure. Number 9, intermittent engine stalling during operation. Perhaps the most dangerous symptom involves sudden engine shutdown while driving. According to certified technician reports, this occurs when worn relay contacts fail to maintain consistent electrical connection under vibration and heat stress. The engine simply dies without warning. No rough idle, no gradual power loss. Honda Tech forum documentation reveals this happens most frequently during acceleration, when electrical demand peaks. The vehicle may restart immediately or require cooling time, depending on the relay's internal damage level. Number 8, complete no start condition. When the relay fails completely, the engine cranks normally but never fires. The starter motor operates perfectly, battery voltage remains strong, but fuel never reaches the combustion chamber. Toyota Nation forum data indicates this represents the final stage of relay deterioration. The critical diagnostic indicator is the absence of fuel pump priming sound. When you turn the ignition to the on position, you should hear a distinct 2 to 3 second humming noise from the rear of the vehicle. This indicates the fuel pump building system pressure. Complete silence suggests relay failure or pump issues. Number 7, silent fuel pump during key-on events. Every vehicle's fuel pump should prime the system when you first turn the ignition key. According to service manual specifications, this priming cycle lasts approximately 3 seconds and produces an audible whirring sound from the fuel tank area. Certified technicians at Imperial Valley Honda confirmed that missing this sound represents one of the most reliable indicators of relay failure. The pump depends entirely on relay-supplied power during this critical priming sequence. No relay function equals no pump operation. Number 6, check engine light illumination. Modern OBD2 vehicles often detect fuel pump relay problems through system monitoring. According to diagnostic trouble code documentation, codes P0230 through P0233 specifically indicate fuel pump relay circuit malfunctions. P0230 signals control circuit voltage inconsistencies. P0231 indicates insufficient power reaching the fuel pump. P0232 shows unexpected power when the pump should be off. These codes help distinguish relay problems from actual fuel pump failure, potentially saving hundreds in misdiagnosis costs. Number 5. Engine performance degradation. Partially failed relays create inconsistent fuel delivery, resulting in rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, and reduced fuel economy. According to verified owner reports from multiple forums, this occurs when relay contacts develop high resistance but haven't failed completely. The engine receives insufficient fuel pressure during high-demand situations like highway merging or steep hill climbing. Performance returns to normal once electrical demand decreases, creating a confusing intermittent problem pattern that challenges even experienced technicians. Number 4. Heat-related starting issues. Temperature-sensitive relay failure creates specific patterns. According to documented service cases, vehicles start normally when cold but refuse to start after reaching operating temperature. This occurs when internal relay components expand with heat, disrupting electrical contact. Gas station scenarios become particularly problematic. The vehicle runs fine, you stop for fuel, attempt to restart, and experience complete failure. 20 minutes of cooling time often restores function temporarily, confirming heat-related relay degradation. Number 3. Physical relay damage signs. Visual inspection reveals obvious failure indicators. According to diagnostic procedures from certified technicians, examine the relay housing for cracks, melted plastic, or burn odors. The relay socket may show scorched terminals or corroded connections. Overheating damage appears as brown or black discoloration on relay terminals and surrounding socket areas. This indicates excessive resistance generating heat, ultimately leading to complete failure. Any visible damage requires immediate replacement. Number 2. Battery drainage and pump running after shutdown. A particularly alarming symptom occurs when the relay gets stuck in the closed position, continuing to power the fuel pump after engine shut down. According to verified owner reports, this creates unexpected battery drainage overnight, leaving drivers with dead batteries in the morning. You can often hear the fuel pump running from the rear of the vehicle even after turning off the ignition. This continuous operation not only drains the battery, but can also damage the fuel pump itself through overheating and excessive wear. Number 1. Complete system electrical feedback issues. The most complex symptom involves relay failure, creating cascade problems throughout the vehicle's electrical system. According to Vertical Vision's analysis, this particularly impacts 2007 and newer Jeep Wrangler models, where double relay failures affect windshield wipers and door locks simultaneously. Failed fuel pump relays can send incorrect signals to the vehicle's computer systems, triggering multiple dashboard warning lights and causing unrelated electrical components to malfunction. This creates the most expensive diagnostic scenarios, as mechanics may chase multiple electrical gremlins before identifying the fuel pump relay as the root cause. Testing and verification methods. The most reliable diagnostic approach involves relay substitution. According to professional service procedures, locate an identical relay controlling a non-critical function like the horn or air conditioning clutch. Swap the suspected fuel pump relay with the known good relay and test operation. Multimeter testing provides definitive confirmation. Measure coil resistance across control terminals. Normal readings range from 50 to 150 ohm. Infinite resistance indicates an open coil. Near zero resistance suggests internal short circuits. Replacement cost reality. According to RepairPal estimates, fuel pump relay replacement costs between $85 and $104 at professional shops. The relay itself costs $25 to $40, with minimal labor charges since replacement requires only locating the fuse box and swapping components. This contrasts dramatically with misdiagnosed fuel pump replacement, which averages $600 to $800 according to verified service quotes. Understanding relay symptoms prevents costly misdiagnosis and protects your automotive budget. Critical action steps. First priority involves safety. If experiencing sudden stalling symptoms, avoid highway driving until diagnosis is complete. Carry emergency supplies and inform others of your route when reliability becomes questionable. Second, perform the basic sound test every morning. Listen for fuel pump priming when turning the ignition to on. Document any changes in sound duration or intensity, as these indicate developing problems. Finally, maintain a spare relay in your vehicle. They're inexpensive, store easily, and provide immediate roadside repair capability when failure occurs away from service facilities. Share your specific model year and symptoms in the comments below. Have you experienced intermittent starting issues that worsened over time? Did dealerships recommend expensive fuel pump replacement before discovering relay failure? Your real-world experience helps other drivers recognize these patterns early and avoid costly misdiagnosis. Document your repair costs and symptom progression to build the knowledge base that protects automotive consumers from unnecessary expenses. The fuel pump relay might be small, but its failure creates big problems. Recognize these 10 symptoms early, test properly, and replace promptly to maintain reliable transportation without breaking your budget.